Hi there, this is Professor Livengood, and welcome to an introduction to coach leadership. The landscape of the workplace has changed dramatically in recent years, introducing a host of new challenges. For example, are your managers able to inspire your employees as their values and goals evolve? Do your leaders have difficulty forming a connection with the new generation of talent? If so, the Coach Leadership Training Program is designed to help leaders of organizations get the most out of their managers to ensure a highly motivated, engaged, and productive workforce. To lead well in our evolving workplace environment, we must be able to demonstrate sincere care for our colleagues, connect authentically with employees, create a cohesive, collaborative team culture across time zones, geographies, and work-from-home schedules, attract and retain talent who have reoriented toward a higher value for purpose, balance, and personal development, establish a mature environment of accountability and support, and inspire an entrepreneurial mindset for creativity and innovation. Created by Dr. Dale G. Caldwell, Professor Scott Livengood, and John Griffith, who together have over 60 years of coaching, training, consulting, and teaching experience, the Coach Leadership Training Program combines interactive workshops with individualized coaching sessions to develop a coach-leader mindset supported by vital skills, allowing leaders to engage their employees and to draw out the best that each has to offer. Research suggests that higher employee engagement and a sense of purpose leads to higher job satisfaction, greater retention, and more creativity and entrepreneurial thinking, which in turn leads to new products, processes, and value-added ways of doing things. Coach Leadership guides participants through a journey of self-reflection and development to instill the following core behaviors and capabilities. Coach leadership values, powerful questioning, effective listening, dynamic communication, living the coach leadership types, providing assessments, constructive feedback conversations, and proper motivation. Please visit CoachLeadership.com for more information on how to solve the puzzles of this ever-changing employment landscape to better equip your organization to succeed now and well into the future.